What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and we are back with the motor teardown. So as you saw in the last video, I basically showed off the motor the way it's set, and I did take a few stuff off of it. Just took the alternator and some of the pulleys off just to see what it looked like. And also one of the cool packs was actually broken. It was just the rubber and the spring in there, so I took that out, and you won't believe what it looks like inside this spark plug hole. It is so clean. Like, it's cleaner than my car's. You will see. Hold on. There it is. Oh, it kind of focused. But yeah, oh yeah, there it is. Inside the spark plug hole. Yeah, it's just a little bit dirt in there. That just fell in there, but I'll clean it out, of course, before I pull any plugs out. But man, that looks so clean. Where the thermostat is clean. I'm gonna say, the motor on the outside is dirty, but this thing is clean. I'm tempted to tear the valve covers off, just to see what it looks like inside. And I may actually paint these red, but I don't know yet. Let me know down in the comments. Should I paint these red? I mean, I think that'll look pretty cool. Okay, so I guess first things first is unhooking everything from this throttle body, which I gotta figure out. Pretty sure this tube just slides off. This unplugs. This is electronic throttle body, by the way. I never knew that they made an electronic throttle body in the 4.6s, but it's new to me. I guess this is a 2005 motor, so in 2005 things got a little bit more modern with vehicles. Just like at the Mustangs. In 2005 they completely changed. Like, it looked like they jumped 10 years, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove all this, and then we're gonna take the throttle body off. Okay, so I think everything is unplugged from the throttle body, so we're gonna go ahead and remove the throttle body itself. It takes a 5/16. That's what I'm currently using. It fits it pretty snug. Okay, so this EGR tube is not coming off of there. Can't really get to it from there, so the throttle body's unhooked. It's just, so I'm just gonna take the whole EGR off the throttle body. I'm gonna try and deal with this later. I may just end up cutting it apart, honestly. Now we should be able to get the lift off the throttle body. Oh, there's one hose left. Whoops, I don't know how I missed that. Oh, that's one of those clamps too. That's okay, it's just one that missed. There we go. Now she is off a 4.6 electronic throttle body. Never knew that they made those. Alright, so I think I'm going to go ahead and try and unplug every single wire off of here. So I can go ahead and get the fuel rails. Then take the plugs out. I'm probably going to clean up this crap first of all. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to clean out all that first so that nothing drops into the cylinders. Alrighty guys, sorry if the camera looks hazy. For some reason my lens is even more messed up than what it was on my G7X. I really need a new camera. This is, I don't know how it got hazy on the inside of the lens, but as I tried cleaning it, and I guess I made it worse. So it's really hazy right now, oh my god. But, we're as far as we're going to go with tearing apart the motor. I didn't film all of it, of course, because, you know, that'd be a lot of filming, and there's a lot of struggle because some of the bolts are rusted. So here's what it looks like. So, got the valve covers off, timing cover off, oil pan off. Pretty much everything is off. What we do gotta do is we gotta grind these down because those will hit the supercharger, and we're gonna have to take that temperature sensor out and plug that off because we don't need that because, you know, it's a different setup. But pretty much I'm gonna have to add my original timing cover to it and silicone one bolt hole. I don't know what bolt hole it is. I'm gonna have to figure it out when I put it on. But motor is pretty much ready. I pretty much just got to tear apart Reaper now and order the new clutch and the other extra gutty that I want to add to it. But guys, I really do need a new camera. This is bad. But guys, like I said, if you guys really want to help me out, buy some merch. I know it's probably like, oh, he's begging for money. I kind of do need the money right now. After Christmas, I broke my camera, and I'm filming on something that's really, I mean, it's not too bad right now, but once you look in the light, it gets hazy. But yeah, I'm thinking about getting the G7X Mark III and buying like the vlog kit for it, where I can put an external mic on it. But right now, I'm stuck with this half fallen apart camera. But yeah, guys, this is the progress on the motor. So I guess the next step is, I guess we're going to clean up the valve covers too. But the next step, I guess, would be tearing apart Reaper and buying the parts that I need. Yeah, that's going to be the painful part, is buying all the parts. But, alrighty guys, so I'm going to end this video off here. This is what it looks like. So, yeah, on to the next step. We're getting close. We're getting closer, guys. Alrighty, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. All the support really does help. And man, this is like the biggest project I've done with the car, and it's stressing me out. I'm really stressed. I want to get the car back as soon as possible. I miss it. This is the longest I've been without the car in 5 years, and it's killing me. Alrighty, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.